Welcome to Home Squad Reviews. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Nexigo Pj20 1080p HD LCD projector. I actually created an unboxing video of this projector. I'll leave the link in the description for you to review. Also, I'm going to be projecting on my Yodela 100-inch projector screen, primarily because it is able to handle as high as 4K images on that thing, and the projector is actually 1080p. I will be using my USB drive and Chromecast to test by connecting to the USB and HDMI ports, and iPhone to test to see how easy it is to connect wirelessly to the projector. Starting from left to right, we have the combination knob. Pressing it will turn the power on or off. Turning the knob would adjust the keystone. A 3.5mm audio jack, AV input port, 2 USB ports, 2 HDMI ports, an IR receiver, and a power input jack. Let's take a look on the remote. This is the power button. This is the mute button. These are the focus out and in buttons. Left, right, up, down, and OK. The return button, volume button, short press for input, long press for menu. By default, everything looks blurry, so we're going to use the focus in and out to adjust the sharpness of the image. Yep, that looks great. Okay, let us insert the USB flash drive. We're going to short press the menu option on the remote and select multimedia. The next step, click movie, click C drive, select the file. I'm going to turn off the light and you'll notice how sharp the image looks. I'm going to click return, return again. Select photo, select C. I have two images. I'm going to select the first one. This is how it looks. And then I'm going to press play to show the second one. I'm going to click return, return again, and return again to go to the main menu. So we're going to connect the Google TV. And it should just load up by default. I'm going to click on Netflix. Now, because I don't want any copyright issues, I'm only going to be playing the trailer. As you can see, it's very sharp and clear. The colors are vibrant. I think it looks really good. To be able to connect wirelessly, we're going to have to enable Wi-Fi, and the first thing we're going to have to do is long press to access the menu option. Then we're going to tab right over to connection settings. I've already selected my Wi-Fi, but we're going to select Wi-Fi settings. Select your Wi-Fi, enter the password, and that's it. We are going to click on iOS Cast, and you're going to see a code Nexigo-Pj2062DF. We're going to slide from the top right hand corner. We're going to click on screen mirroring, select the projector. After it is connected, you should see it on the screen. I'm going to cast from my YouTube account. I'm going to select a video. And I'm going to turn my phone sideways. Notice the color is vibrant and how sharp the video looks. Something to note is Netflix actually does not work with mirroring. I'm able to bring up a movie. It will be playing on my phone. However, you don't see anything on the projector. If you guys have any idea what is going on, please let me know in the comments below. I had the same problem when I tested it on Amazon, Disney, Hulu, as well as the Apple TV. Natively, the iOS does not support Miracast or DLNA, so I went to the App Store and downloaded 2 apps. Let's see how they work. Click DLNA. Once it is connected, we're gonna go to, let me see if I can get this steady, this TV Cast DLNA. Now the issue I have with this is that it gives you access to some of your local files, but it gives you only access to the last 3 if you don't pay for this or subscribe to the service. As you can see, once I click my local image, it works. However, you'd have to pay for this app. For Miracast, I did not get this one to work. It only displayed AirPlay when I attempted to use it, and it is also a paid app. Guys, if you have any ideas of any free app, please let me know in the comments area. After using the projector, I have assembled a list of pros and cons, and the first pro is how bright the projector is. You're able to use it during the day without any issues. The second pro is how vibrant the colors are from the projector. The third pro is the fact that the projector has a number of ways that you are able to connect to it. The cons for this projector is when you're screen mirroring, you're not able to cast Netflix, Hulu, HBO. It will play only on your phone but not projected to the screen. Also, the DLNA and Miracast are not native to iOS. They're native to Android but not iOS. And so you'd have to download third-party apps from the App Store and potentially have to pay a monthly service to use those. Now finally, would I buy this projector knowing everything I know now? The answer to that is most definitely. I was initially planning to use this projector with the Google TV or the Chromecast, and when I actually test it with the Chromecast, it works flawlessly, no issue. And so I think it's a perfect match for me. Guys, I leave a video here that I think you'd like to watch. Also, if you've reached this far in the video, comment projector in the comment section, like, share and subscribe. Peace.